Today our topic is templates. It is a very important feature in C++ and at the same time powerful feature in C++. So what is templates? Templates are also called as generics. Why we all learn templates? Why we are called as generics in C++? So template is a very important and powerful feature in C++. So template is a mechanism that allows a function or class deal with different data types. Suppose once we declare a template in a program, that template variable can be act as integers, can be act as floats, can be act as double. No need to mention any type once we declare templates in a program. So here template is a blueprint or formula for creating a generic class or a generic function. So why we learn templates in C++? Generally in C++ we have a concept function overloading. Function overloading means same function performs different functionality. So that is more than one function has the same name but signature is different. But here signature is order of arguments and number of arguments and type of argument is different. Function name is the same. Suppose integer addition of integer x comma integer y. So then float addition of float x comma float y. So here two function name is addition, but what addition? First addition function takes integer arguments and returns x plus y. Returns x plus y. So here float addition function, that is second function is also addition of two numbers, but those two numbers are floating numbers or floating values, that is return x plus y. So first function returns integer value, second function returns float value. But here what is function overloading? Actually function overloading extending functionality of function. So that is so what happened here, same function write different more than one forms. So then what happened, redundancy will be occurred, then program length is increased. So that's why to overcome this problem, decrease the redundancy or prevent the redundancy or decrease the length of the program, we have to use the templates in C++. So template is a mechanism to create a function or class to deal with different data items. Templates are mainly two types. One is function templates. One is function templates. And second one is class templates. So first one is function templates. What is function templates? A template is a mechanism. It allows a generic function to deal with different data types. What is function template? Template is a mechanism. It allows a function to deal with different data types. So what is class template? Template is a mechanism. A class, generic class, it allows a generic class to deal with different data items. So first one is function template.
ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కావాలి అంటే మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి లైక్ షేర్ కామెంట్ చేయండి.
Function templates, first concept, function template. So I compare with function overloading here. So starting I said integer addition, float addition, double addition. It produces redundancy and increase the program length to write the same code for same function. So here by using function template is a generic. It deals with different data items or different data types. So here as include iostream.h, that is include header file and conio.h. Template is a keyword template and one more here identifier, and t is the template variable here. T is the template variable. So right, so t is the return type and function name is addition, and one more variable template variable x and y. These are the parameters of addition function. parameters of addition function. So now return x plus y. So now main function. Now here addition of, we should specify here which type of values passed to the parameters, like template parameters x and y. So suppose I mention here integer, so then 3 comma 7. So here integer t can be act as integer, and here also t can be act as integer. So here also t as act as integer, here also integer. So now, so this int add of integer x, integer y. Now 3 comma 7, then it should return value is 10. It should return value is 10. So next I pass the float values for floating purpose. So then now when we call this function add of float, because this t can be act as float, then here also t can be act as float. Now we pass the values 3.4, that means floating values ef. So now this function returns floating sum value 3.4 plus 4.2 value, sum, after sum it should return that sum value. So next addition of double, then now t can be act as double data type. Here also t can be act as double data type. Parameters are also double data type. So now 2.321 comma 4.321. So then this is the function template. So now what happened, I am writing a once only addition function, but it can be act in 3 ways. Like in function overloading, for 3 purpose parameters we have to write the 3 functions sources. Here no need to write number of times, we should write only one time and pass the values by mentioning integer, float and double data type. So now what happened, this template can be act or deal with integer type parameters, floating type parameters and double type parameters. This is the function template. Now that is